Hi, I'm Chris DiOrio. Here in the Impinj Innovation Center, we've created a portal in a configuration typical of what you'd find in the dock door of a distribution center. Our portal uses two Speedway readers, one on each side, and unlike other high-performance readers today, our Speedway reader only requires a single antenna per side. The two Speedway readers pointing directly at each other across the portal are operating in dense reader mode. And to demonstrate the robustness of this system, both readers will be transmitting at maximum power as they singulate Monza tags moving through the dock door. Now, I want to make the point here that, consistent with the way the Gen 2 spec is supposed to operate, the Speedway readers do not use, nor are they required to use, any synchronization or listen before talk techniques. We'll have both readers feeding their data into an application running on the PC, which will aggregate and display the data as Mike pulls a pallet of tagged goods through the dock door. We'll be able to see how many tags were read, as well as a set of other data that indicate how well the system is working. The pallet comprises 40 cases of Caress soap, each of which is tagged with an RFID label powered by Monza, Impinj's EPC Global Certified Gen 2 RFID chip. Note that some of the tags are on the sides of the pallet, some on top, some on the front, some on back, and some are buried deep within the pallet. As Mike pulls the pallet through the portal, the Speedway readers read the tags, and we can monitor the real-time results. Now, we can see right off that the Speedway readers have read all 40 tags. The screen shows the individual EPC values corresponding to each tag here in the first column, and they appear in the order in which they were read from first to last. We can also see that both Speedway readers were active in the inventory operation. Over here on the right, we see some additional inventory statistics. We see the total number of unique tags read is 40. That just happens to correspond to the fact that there are 40 unique items on the pallet. But the key feature to note here is that Reader 1 read 39 of those 40 tags. Even though Reader 1 was on one side of the dock door, it got 39 of the tags. Reader 2 got 37. The aggregate is that between the two readers, we caught all of those tags with plenty of margin. Finally, the total number of reads between the two readers, 1,112 total reads, indicating the speed of the Gen 2 dense reader mode. The fact that all of the tags, including those buried deep in the middle of the pallet, were read multiple times is a testament to the power of the Gen 2 protocol, the capability of the Speedway readers, and the receptivity of the Monza tags themselves. As we've seen, the dense reader mode provides a very reliable inventory result. And because every tag was read multiple times, we know that there are no dead zones that can prevent tags from being read. Impinj's Gen 2 Speedway reader and Gen 2 Monza silicon provide a fast, reliable, and robust RFID solution. It's Gen 2 the way it's supposed to be.